All right, y'all, so we're outside my house asking for trouble. That's what we're doing, asking for trouble. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh! That hit hard. No, did not want to do that. Damn it. Watch out, boys. Oh man, that's hitting hard as hell. I need to go a little harder. Let's see how she does. Let's hit it again. A little harder this time. This is what I'm afraid of, is that car. Oh yeah, that hit hard. Shut her down. Hopefully it just unplugged it. We're gonna find out. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get back up here where I can see what I'm doing. Make sure I can see what I'm doing. Check it out. Here we go. Damn it. Camera back on. Maybe back up here where I can see what I'm doing. Make sure I can see what I'm doing. Check it out. Here we go. Almost made it to the grass that time. God dang it. Damn it, almost made it to the grass that time. God dang it. Almost to the grass. We at least gotta get one in the grass, y'all. Oh, 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 oh my.
Almost.
Corally just taking it, dude. No, what are you doing, Kenny? Oh my God. All right, here we go. This one's going in the grass, damn it. No, it's not. That is slammed down so loud and so hard, it's insane. To the grass, damn you. To the grass. Nope. Oh my God. It's dead. Wing folded up. All right, y'all, you see me slamming this thing off the concrete how many multiple times there, and the only thing happened, my pinion gear come loose, and I broke one of my leads off, guys. Look at that. Oh man, it broke the prongs off, so there'll be some soldering going on there. Other than that, boys, ASUGA strong. Look, see, look, see, you heard it slamming, straight as an arrow, not a bent drive shaft still. Not a nothing. I broke the wing earlier, guys, when I was doing that blind shot. You'll see the video in a minute, but a couple blind shots. All I did was broke these little things out there. Nothing big, nothing major there. But she is tough, y'all. She is tough. Till next time, y'all. Peace.